Are you doing your laundry today? Let me show you the products that I use when I'm doing my laundry. Today is laundry day for me. Let's do some laundry together. Let's pour some detergent in this cup. My machine is already set and I'm ready to start my laundry. Let's get going. Do you sort your clothes out when you're doing your laundry? White separately, colored separately? This is exactly what I do. Let's begin. I do my laundry on a weekly basis. And when I do my laundry, I separate my work clothes from my casual clothes. How do you do your laundry? After putting my clothes to wash, it's time for breakfast. And what I'm thinking of making for breakfast is 2 boiled eggs, some fried plantains, and a cup of peppermint tea. Let's get going. I changed my mind about the plantains and I'm gonna make myself some fried sausage. This goes well with my boiled eggs. Let's continue. It is day 2 of this vlog and it's 5:15 in the morning. I am feeling very groggy and sleepy, but I have to go to work. So let's get ready for work. I am dressed and ready to apply some makeup to my face. I'm using a light pink eyeshadow to go with my black and white top. I'm not good at makeup, but I try. This is my travel makeup bag. I have a little of everything in this bag. And what I will be applying this morning is a liquid makeup from NARS. My makeup is done, my hair is done. Last thing I need to do is to add some blush on my cheeks. I am fully dressed. The last thing I'll do is to add some body spray, and then I will make myself some breakfast. I definitely have to have a cup of tea along with some fruits before I head through the door. I am at work and it's work mode time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Go ahead and subscribe.